Okay guys, it's me again. Right, so we've been struggling because obviously we had some pipes missing from this stainless steel exhaust. So what we've done is, as you can see, we've had to resort to guile, which means we had to make a section up, which is really hard when you're on your back underneath the car. So I'm just going to say to you guys, don't do this at home. This has all been done by an amateur. But I will say, and I'm going to say, it's in there. So if it shuts it up, I mean, come on, that's all we can do. Everything we're doing is just a job to do. They ain't going to do it again. I've got away with making those radius arms up, so I'm about to change the push out into that one, not the old one. It's not a perfect idea, but it'll do. What else? That's about it, really, guys. I mean, they ain't wiring on. We'll worry about how we get it. They still need some new hammers, but we have ordered some. Unfortunately, you can't do them without having to take the arms down. Unlike the E-Type, you've got to take all the hub off. These you don't, so it's not a bad job. So I'm going to say, I've cut the other one ready. I just haven't welded it. Maybe it's because it's too hot, too tired. I need to check this side first. So I did have a look through the old list of stuff, and I managed to find some things which may or may not be of use. Basically, they're DB6 ray calipers. So whether I can make a sound, I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll have to see. I mean, it's not very easy, but we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. I'll seriously tempt to shop us ourselves and do it myself. But yeah, so as I said before, guys, that's not a bad job. I'm quite chuffed with the way that's come out. I haven't checked brakes this morning, but I'll let it be a surprise. What else? That's about it, really. I mean, I'm just a bit tired now. I need to really. I've either got to keep hitting into it and finish it, and then it's done, or have a break. I don't really know which. I'm just sort of seriously thinking maybe I should have to maybe have a break. So we will consider this before we go too much further. But in reality, we're not doing too bad there. We're okay. I don't know what else I could say to you guys, really, other than the fact that we're done. One side's done anyway, so we'll try the other side when I come back out. We have a break for a minute, so this is just a quick video to see whether you can make any sense of it. But like I said, hopefully we're getting there. So, as I said before, I'm going to pack it up. When I come out, I'm going to weld that up, and hopefully that'll be that side fitted. I'll test it before I weld it, just in case that'll look longer. And then that's it. So yeah, cheers for that then. Thanks for watching. Keep liking and subscribing, and I hope that you are sort of feeling my pain with these things. It's just so hard to do. Well, you know, I'm not saying it's easy, but, you know, hey, let's just keep going. We've got a few other jobs to do. There's Lord of the Rings, look. Anyway, yeah, so basically, we've done alright there, guys. So I'm going to say, call a halt to it there. And, as I said, to be continued after the break.